Hi everyone, welcome to How to Guide. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to quick add friends on Snapchat. Before starting, I would like to request you to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you'll be notified as soon as we post a new video. Simply go to your Snapchat app and tap it open. Tap on the Snapchat profile icon located at the top left corner of the screen. As soon as you reach to your profile page, tap on Add Friends. Now you'll see the list of friends or people who you can add quickly to your Snapchat account. To add someone to your Snapchat, simply tap on the Add button and the person will be added to your Snapchat quickly. Quick Add suggests you to find the people whom you might know or might want to add as friends on Snapchat. There are basically two ways to use Quick Add on Snapchat. Another way to quickly add friends from the Quick Add is to go to your camera screen, and right beside the camera screen you see the friends icon. Just tap on it and you can see that there is a Quick Add menu right there. Just swipe from left to right and find anyone that you can add quickly. Similarly, tap on Add in order to add the person to your Snapchat account. That is how you can use Quick Add on Snapchat, guys. Thank you so much for watching the video till the very end. If you like the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have anything to say to us. I'll be back with another video soon. Thank you for watching.